The Nilfisk SC500 walk-behind scrubber dryer is designed to increase productivity and drive down your total cleaning costs. With a well-thought-out design and a number of clever technical features, this machine will help you achieve a consistently excellent cleaning result. Our EcoFlex technology ensures flexible and sustainable cleaning, not only saving the environment, but also your total cost of cleaning by reducing consumption of water and detergent. In addition, our Smart Flow system automatically controls solution flow according to the speed of the machine, guaranteeing consistent cleaning. Another cost-saving innovation is the REV system, a patented orbital scrubbing technology that saves water, detergent, and chemicals while helping the pad last up to 2.5 times longer. The Nilfisk SC500 is a compact, highly maneuverable machine. The super quiet vac system keeps noise levels down to 60 dBA, which makes the machine ideal for daytime cleaning and noise-sensitive areas. The innovative and easy-to-use Smart Key system ensures that the machine settings can be effectively controlled and correctly adjusted at any time. The yellow supervisor key allows the detailed setting of parameters or full access for a technician, whereas the blue user key makes the machine easy to operate with access to preset functions. Daily maintenance is quick and easy. With our patented elastic strap system, the cleaning of the squeegee is a simple job for the operator. The Nilfisk SC500, the cost-efficient scrubber dryer that will drive down costs and optimize productivity while giving you perfect cleaning results every time.